So here's the Code Issues window, introduced in CodeRush 10.2. The Code Issues window shows us issues within the solution that might warrant some attention. Errors, for example, warnings, will appear inside of here. So let's go here into the code. Let's create a new variable called mySuperVar, set it equal to true, and shortly we should see a variables undeclared issue showing up over here, and there it is. Let's look for it over here. And there it is right there. MySuperVar is equal to true. There's our undeclared element. So you see a summary over here of all the code issues inside of your solution. You can arrange them and view them using these buttons at the top. Here, for example, I have Show Code Issues from Active Solution, Show Code Issues from Active Project, or the Active File. This file is pretty big, so nothing's apparently changing here, but when I come in here and show the entire solution, you can see I've got my other solution here called VB Templates, which is over here. That has some issues in it. Over here, we can select which of these parenting nodes are the issues we see. So for example, here's the code issue. Field can be read-only. There it is right there. That is parented by this entry right here, which is the issue description. That's parented by the file where that issue is found, and that in turn is parented by the project. What we can do is say, well, let's not see the project, so we can only see the files. So we can do that. Those are the files that have issues. Or we can say, let's not even show the files and simply sort by the issues. This allows me to filter the issues. For example, if I only want to see warnings, I can clear these right here. Let me also explain these buttons at the top. These determine which ones you'll actually view in here, so you can individually check and clear these depending on which ones you're interested in, or you can globally clear and set them based on these checkboxes. So let's show all warnings and errors as well. You can also search for errors or warnings that you're interested in. Click OK and let's filter those. And now you can see our warnings and our errors now showing up in the Code Issues window. This is live. We haven't done a build yet. This is all happening live while you edit and work in the code. So some cool things that you can do here is, let's say you're interested in this issue right here, undisposed local. You can take that issue, you can double click on it, and that takes you over here to the code. Let's bring this down so you can see the code. Hover over it with the mouse, choose Introduce Using Statement. That'll create that fix for us. And now that undisposed local is going to go away. Let's go back to the Code Issues window. We have one more undisposed local to look at. We can double click over there and get to it. It's right down here. Introduce Using Statement for that as well. So that's the Code Issues window. Pretty cool. It provides a nice summary of all the issues in your solution. Thanks for watching, and of course, thank you for choosing DevExpress.